Check those out. Joe just dropped these off, and he drove in on his 3.0 Duramax diesel. This one is mine, but I will tell you, he hand delivered these from Vegas to Anaheim, where I am currently on vacation, and I'm blown away. Just look at these. Wow. So obviously we have the forged carbon fiber here, we have the regular carbon fiber here. Look at the size of that inlet. It's all correct, scales down the correct size there. They will be offering these with, or they will come with, a PPE silicone hose. Currently that's not ready yet, so I don't have it, so I'll just reuse my factory one. No big deal there. This bracket right here will be black, and they're going to move this logo down a little bit so you can see it better in the engine bay. That'll be right back there. So here's what I was talking about on the previous video. Look at that little lock right there. That's identical to the factory one, and that's going to slip in, so that way there's going to be no vibration out of this, no rubbing. It's going to fit right the first time and stay there, which that's one thing that this S&B pipe in the back that I currently run does not have. So I'm excited about that. This grommet right here is just like factory, super stout. It's going to hold the pipe correctly. I can't wait. This is cool. This forged carbon right here is just slick in the sunlight. Now I have to make a decision, which one do I put on this truck on my test video coming up. And honestly, I don't know. I like both of them so much. I'm leaning towards the dry, or I'm sorry, the forged carbon. Speaking of dry, that is dry carbon in the inside right there of both pipes. Pretty sweet, huh? Super lightweight, is just phenomenal. I can't wait to get this installed right here. And I got a couple other little things that I'm going to try in the near future, but these, oh my gosh, look at that.